All right, so let's go over this. We have Obsidian versus Notion versus Remnote. So which is the best productivity tool for you? Okay, for your needs now, let's start with Obsidian. It's a powerful local note taking and knowledge management tool. Now, the pros, we'll go over there first. It has markdown support, backlinking, graph view, ideal basically for personal wikis and deep linking. The cons, it lacks built-in collaboration and cloud, of course, sync. And Notion, though, I use Notion, and let me tell you why. It combines notes, databases, project management, you know, and also it's good. It's really good. And I know, okay, for beginners, it can be a little bit overwhelming. It requires internet connection for full functionality. And we'll go over Remnote as well. So Remnote, it basically focuses on learning and retention with spaced repetition and flashcards. The pros are, as you can see, it has markdown backlinking, structured notes. It's excellent for students and researchers, right? The cons, though, the UI, it's not that polished. It does have a steep learning curve, maybe more than even Notion. So if you want the easiest learning curve one, go for Obsidian. And then the next in the learning curve list is Notion. This is the one I personally use, though. It's very powerful, very powerful. I suggest go with Notion. It's what I personally used. And this is not my actual workspace. I have other workspaces as well. But let me go over this. So this is an assignment tracker you can build. You can integrate graphs, anything, monthly budgets. You can do a lot of things, guys. To-do lists. I have been using this personally, and honestly, go for Notion. But until next time, I hope you found this helpful. Let us know what you're gonna be going for, and make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.